Hello everyone, here is 13 essential vitamins and minerals functions. Vitamin A helps form and maintain healthy skin, teeth, bones and soft tissue.
Vitamin C is needed for the growth and repair of tissues throughout the body. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, and is made when skin is exposed to the sun. Vitamin E helps with the formation of red blood cells and is an antioxidant. Vitamin K, also known as the clotting vitamin, allows the blood to coagulate. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, helps cells convert carbohydrates into energy. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin, works with the other B vitamins and is important for growth and the production of red blood cells. Vitamin B3, or niacin, helps the digestive system, skin and nerves to function. Vitamin B5, or pantothenic acid, is essential for growth and food metabolism. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, helps the body make antibodies and hemoglobin, and helps maintain nerves and blood sugar. Vitamin B7, also known as biotin, is essential for food metabolism. Vitamin B9, known as folate or folic acid, helps with tissue growth and cell function.
Vitamin B12 helps with the formation of red blood cells and is important for metabolism.